Good morning, kids. How are you today?
We are fine, miss. How about you?
I also have good news. How many class presidents were absent?
Andy, miss. He didn't tell me the reason.
Okay, thank you. Before we start our lesson, I ask one person to lead the prayer in front of the class, please.
Okay, let us pray according to our respective faiths and belief. Praying begins. Pray finish.
Okay, kids, now we will continue our lesson. Guess what our material is today? Does anyone know?
Whole number and fraction, miss.
Yes, that's right. The topic we will study is about integers and fraction.
Now I'm going to tell you a few things we'll be studying for the next 35 minutes. Today we will study whole number and fraction. I hope that after we carry out the learning activities, it is hoped that you will be able to explain and determine the order of integer and fraction, and that you will be able to solve very complex contextual problems related to arithmetic operation on whole numbers and fraction. I ask when I explain the material if you pay attention to my explanation, and you can ask when you have difficult understanding my explanation. I will ask question after I finish explaining, so please pay attention when I explain. So, after we go through this learning, it is hoped that student will be able to explain the sequence of integers, both positive and negative, and fraction, ordinary, mixed, decimal, and percent. With curiosity, be responsible, be brave in the learning process, and have a critical attitude, and creative, and able to solve problems.
Definition of integers and fraction. What is the meaning of integers? Integer is a set of numbers made up of negative integers, 0, and positive integers. What is the meaning of fraction number? A fraction is number that is the quotient between an integer and a natural number. Okay, let's get into the material. Integer. Integer. So an integer is a number, not a fraction. Integers consist of positive integer, 0, and negative integers. The integers contain the number 1. Whole number starting from 0. 2. Natural numbers starting with 1. 3. An even number, a number that is divisible by 2. 4. Odd numbers that are not divisible by 2 or have a remainder.
Now we will look at the count operation on integers. The first, we will look at addition and subtraction. Applicable, a plus b equals b plus a minus b equals a plus minus b, minus a plus minus b equals minus a plus b, a minus minus b equals a plus b. The second, we will look at multiplication and division. Multiplication is repeat addition. Applicable, a multiplied b equals ab. A multiplied minus b equals minus ab. Minus a multiplied b equals minus ab. Minus a multiplied minus b equals ab. Division is opposite of multiplication. Applicable, A divided by B equals A per B. A divided by minus B equals minus A per B. Minus A divided by B equals minus A per B. Minus A divided by minus B equals A per B.
Property of integer counting operation. Commutative property. The first, addition. A plus B equals B plus A. The second, multiplication. A times B equals B times A. Associative nature is the first. A plus B plus C equals A plus B plus C. The second, multiplication. A times B times C equals A times B times C. Distributive nature. The first, in the operation of multiplication over addition. A times B plus C equals A times B plus A times C. The second, in the operation of multiplication to subtraction. A times B minus C equals A times B minus A times C. Fraction. Fraction consists of a number and a denominator. A divided B times A equals numerator and B equals denominator. 1. Type of fraction. The first, ordinary fraction. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. A divided B. A less than B. The second, mixed fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator. A divided B. A greater than B. The three, itu decimal fraction, fraction that are written using a comma. The four, fractional parents. Fractional that uses the symbol percent, which means 100. A percent means A divided 100. The 5, Fermi fraction. fraction that has the symbol heart, which means thousand. A means A divided thousand.
2. Counting. Operation on fraction. Counting operation of fraction. 1. Sum. When adding common fraction, the denomination are the sum before adding them. 2. Subtraction. In subtraction, the denominators are the sum before subtraction. 2. Multiplication. 1. Ordinary fraction. In ordinary fraction, multiply the numerator by the numerator, the denominator by the denominator. 2. In mixed fraction. Mixed fraction must first be converted into common fraction and multiplied. 4. Distribution. 1. In ordinary fraction, when an ordinary fraction is divided by a common fraction, the result is the product of the common fraction divided by the reciprocal of the divisor. A per B divided by C per D equals A per B times D per C. 2. Mixed fraction. Division. Convert mixed fraction to common fraction and divide. 3. Division of decimal fraction done in short layers.
Okay, kids, please do the quiz on the PPT. Okay?
Okay, kids, that's all the explanation from Miss. From the explanation that you gave Elena, maybe you have something to explain.
No, miss.
Okay, if you don't have any question, I will ask you. How many kinds of integers are there? Okay, if you don't have any question, I will ask you. How many kinds of integers are there?
There are 3, miss, namely positive integers, zero numbers, and negative integers.
That's great. No. What is made by a fraction
Fractional
number?
numbers are numbers that are not integers or are usually written in their form A divided by B.
Well, I think you already know a little bit about integers and fraction.
Because our time has ended, our learning activities will end here. I hope you can understand today's lesson. Don't forget to repeat it at home so that you understand more, and don't forget to do the tasks, and we will discuss it the next meeting. Thank you, kids, for being willing to take part in today's lesson. Don't forget to always take care of your health. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.